have a 2013 Ferrari California. It's an older one, 2013, like I said. It's in here for maintenance, and there was a noise complaint in the rear of the vehicle. We think that's taken care of for the customer. But one thing that a lot of new buyers of these exotic cars don't quite get in the beginning is when you go get these serviced or repaired, it's not like that, like your basic normal car that's every day on the road that you have, Hondas, Toyotas, Fords. These parts are not easy to get. If you don't have a local dealer in your area, which we do not have a local dealer in our area, because we don't have a large enough population like a Dallas or San Francisco, something like that, that has a huge amount of population. Getting parts could be difficult. A lot of times we get them overseas, and then you got tariffs, you got taxes, I mean, it's just, so there's only so many dealerships around that you can get parts for. So like say you need a part, and it may take 2 weeks to get that part. That is very normal for these type of vehicles. And some owners of these vehicles, when they first get them, they're like, what, you have to wait a while? Like, they don't quite understand. Once they experience that a couple times, then they know, hey, how long does it take to get my car for an oil change? Is it a week, out? Or if I need to get some brakes or whatever, how long does it take to get the brakes in stock? It may be a week. They now, once they experience it, they know what to expect. But a lot of times, they don't understand that these parts are not readily available. So, the good thing about Ferrari is they do keep up very well with their parts. You can get parts back for almost anything in these cars. I'm sure stuff gets sold out or gets discontinued, but they seem to keep these parts longer than your domestics do. Like Ford and stuff like that, man. Like 7 years, it's stuff being discontinued, can't get it. This car, not been a problem. You can still get parts for it, which is really, really neat. But yeah, this car, it's missing force induction, in my opinion. Ferrari did a very poor job not giving this car enough power for its being a Ferrari. I know it's a lower end Ferrari, but man, this thing needs force induction bad for this power. Me, it's a little disappointing because we drive cars that have like D-Wagons, twin turbo V8, and it blows the doors off this thing. Not even comparison, power-wise. But they're cool cars, they're neat cars, but it's like most people don't come to expect is time. How long is the car gonna be in the shop? How long does it take to get parts? It takes time. So, but neat cars. We don't get a lot of them in our area. There's not a lot of these cars around. Very few exotics exist, but they do come in from out of town because the nearest dealer is out of state usually. So we service them for people. So figure we bring you in. Got any questions? Put them below. Till next time. See ya.